because I'm finally at the airport. This airport is so strict. Funny enough, yeah, it's a low budget airport, but it's so strict, so many rules, so many queues. The queue for immigration was about 40 minutes long. Good thing is my luggage didn't take long, got my luggage straight away because we was waiting for so long in immigration. And then when I thought I was about to walk out, another long queue to go through, nothing to declare. And one woman came up to me, she was like, and then she was like, I need you to delete all your footage. But luckily what I did, yeah, I just deleted the last one I did. I didn't delete all of it. Currently outside, it's really, really hot. It's 33 degrees Celsius, really hot. I'm so glad to be here. It's currently raining in the UK. Everyone's cussing me right now. So I'm trying to get transportation back to the villa. And another funny thing as well, I went onto the Uber app thinking it was Uber, but they don't have Uber here. So, and I need to sort out my Digicel as well. I haven't got no data. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm just gonna probably get a taxi. It's only 10 minutes. I'm gonna get a taxi back to the accommodation. Gonna settle first, and then, yeah, I might go to town. I need to sort out a Digicel SIM card so I can get roaming. I'm not sure what the data's like over here. Don't know if they have Wi-Fi in town. So yeah, now I'm gonna try and get a cab. I hope I don't get ripped off. You know what it's like, innit? Yeah, but it's really hot. I can't remember the last time I had a nice weather like this. But yeah, I'm gonna film on the way to the accommodation so you can see what the place looks like. Yeah, but yeah, it's definitely good to be here. Yeah, so I'm now driving to the villa. Yeah, we're driving to the villa now. I was quite lucky. I was having problems finding a cab, and then yeah, I found, someone came up to, what's your name? AK. Yeah, AK, big up AK, man. Yeah, AK hooked me up, he came up to me, and then yeah, so he's taking me up there. It's about 15 minutes? Yeah, 15 minutes. Trinidad's nice. Has it been raining?
No, not really. Drizzles at time, but not raining.
Okay. Because I remember when I checked the weather, the weather app, it said that it's going to rain most of the week.
But we had some cloudiness, had a couple light showers, but no persistent rain.
Yeah.
A couple showers here and there.
Yeah, I've had enough of rain. I just
I
don't mind one day, but
I can't. We're not going to have any constant rain at this time of the year.
Yeah.
If it rains, it would stop and the sun will come back out.
Cool.
Very unlikely at now that is going to happen.
Right. So if I wanted to come to what's that beach? Maracas. Yeah. So is it what, 1 hour? It's 1 hour to go. Is it a 1 hour drive?
From up here where you are is going to be a little more than that.
Okay, so how much would you charge to go up there?
We go up there, we would charge, I can charge you $100 US to go up there.
100 US? What is that there and back?
That's $700. So you spend about 5 hours, 4 hours up there.
Okay. What you mean, what, 700, that's Trinidad? TT, okay. Yeah, as I said, if my friend, if his car doesn't fix, I'll definitely give you a shout.
Because it's through the rainforest, north coast.
Okay.
So it's a little pull. Very hilly as well.
Yeah. And they drive on the left-hand side, just like the UK.
Yeah.
Drive on the left-hand side. I'm just happy to be away from the UK. Just need a break. Because our summer's supposed to start and it's still raining.
Yeah.
Like it rained all day yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah. Guys, I just got to the villa. I'm absolutely impressed. The pictures doesn't do the actual place justice. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm rocking with. Right, so this is the entrance. It's all gated. You have to go through the gate. This place is beautiful. It looks a little bit grimy here, but wait till you get through. Right, so this is the outside. You got these swing rocking chairs. I was actually thinking of buying one. Yeah, and then got a lounge area, you can chill here. Got a jacuzzi, got a swimming pool. Oh, the guy said they've got said if you click on that switch. Oops, wrong one. Do this one. There we go. I think that activates the fountain. There we go. There we go. And there's another switch as well. The switch will turn on the lights in the swimming pool. Yeah, I don't need that. I don't need a fountain right now. Then this is where I'm staying. This is the bedroom. We've always got ceiling fan in the Caribbean countries. Yeah. Got a TV. Got a dresser. We got the dining room. Got a kitchen. These are all the details that you need. The Wi-Fi. Everything that you need is here. Don't know what's here. I think, yeah, if you want to do your washing. This is the bathroom, the toilet, very modern. Got a shower as well. I'm really impressed. I'm 100% impressed. Very, very clean, very modern. You know. Definitely liking it. Definitely liking it. Not too shabby, as they say, not too shabby. And the only downside is 30 minutes to go to town. They don't have Uber, they've got this thing called TTRs. If you download the TTRs app, it's a ride sharing app. And he said it's really cheap as well. So yeah, when you come to Trinidad, you need to download the TTRs. I'm gonna put all the details in the description. And I'll put a description for this place as well. I'm so impressed. I'm actually gonna promote the guy, and the guy's really, really friendly. Some guy called Wendell. Wendell's really, really cool. And they've even got a bar. Look. They've got a bar here. Let me see what they've got. Oh, these bottles are empty. Got some Moe. This is whiskey. Is this whiskey? Oh, rum. Got some rum. And he said they've got drinks in the fridge as well. So he said that you can have a drink, but when you have a drink you need to put whatever you drank, you need to put it right there, and then at the end of the stay they'll tally it up and you get a bill. I'm actually loving this place already. I haven't settled in. I literally just got here, and I should have settled before recording, but I was so excited. Place is beautiful, man. I absolutely love this spot. I can't wait to jump in the jacuzzi, jump in the pool. I've got some friends coming around later on, so we might tap into those drinks. But yeah, this is just an intro to let you guys know how my journey was. My journey was really smooth. The flight was smooth. 9 hours. I didn't like the airport. There's so many restrictions, the queues. Yeah, apart from that, really enjoying it. The weather's 32 degrees at the moment, so yeah. But yeah, stay tuned for more vlogs. I'm going to be vlogging for the whole trip. I'll do segments, so I'll see you guys on the next episode.